Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 18, 2023, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong October 18, 2023, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong October 18, 2023, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 18, 2023, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 15 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 38 million pesos for Wednesday, October 18, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of October 18, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.